Asda car park. Just thought I'd turn up and have a look at this desk for the garage. And I came across it, and then I thought, wow, look at this. They've just dumped in Asda car park loads of testing kits for COVID. Testing kits, loads of them. It's infested with them. Look at them. And then they've even left in the car park the dumping bin. So Eurofins, whoever you are, you're leaving your toxic waste all over the place. It's disgusting. But how do I get that desk to my garage? Look, Eurofins. Who's this? That's the car park. That's your delivery, and it just gets dumped in the car park. Right, let's go to Asda and explain to them that they've got toxic waste in their car park.